Hi friends, you tired of your garden hose kinking at every corner? Every try you turn it and it just kinks up, and then you try to undo it and it just, every time it just kinks like this. So I just got that hose recently. It's garbage. Here's this 50-foot hose right here. Check this thing out. Easy to coil up, like no kinking at all, right? So just easily, how this hose, it like literally it creases and then it like bends, and that like it wants to stay kinked like that. This one doesn't do that. So I'm gonna put it in my hose return and just show you how nice this hose is compared to the other one, as far as just being able to hardly take up any space. And just look at the dimensions here compared to like this regular hose. It's a lot thinner. Got these reinforced plastic things around here, so it should be super good for letting me get some water out of here. This thing was awful. It's like literally, look at that, kinking already. And it's just like anytime I try to take it out to get like 3 or 4 kinks in it, and it kinked so good it just stopped the water. So let's get this thing in there and show you how it works. Okay, here's my little hose holder, but you can see right here, this was just kinking, and it wouldn't come undone. I'd have to press here to try to unkink it, and it would just stay like that. So you try to do anything and it would just kink. It was horrible. All right, friends, so just put this right in my hose holder here. Comes out super easy, no problems at all. And if I want to wind it up, just put it right in there. So even if it does kink, like so, I can kink it right. But then look at it, it just naturally wants to like unkink itself, so it doesn't keep a pinch in there. So like the other hose I had, it would like leave it like that, and you couldn't, it was so stiff it wouldn't do it. But this one just undoes by itself, so seems to hold its form. Like I said, it's a lot more supple than the other one, a lot easier to use. And this is 50 feet and it goes in this hose container, no problem. That previous hose was like 25 feet and it would not go in here. It would just want to undo. So this one doesn't kind of like force its like way on you, kind of like trying to. So now I can just, whenever I want to water my garden now, I have full range of this to just use my hose as I want. Like how easy that comes out of there. No leaking at all. And then I can just water my garden, water my plants. And then when I'm done, put it right back in the hose holder. So, yeah, this one works really good. Zero issues with it, not leaking at all. Just a really nice garden hose, actually. It doesn't really give me any problems. It's small and compact. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.